Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you people are well. Today I'm going to discuss with you a topic that has created a buzz in the news. Just turn on any TV channel, picks up any newspaper, and you will find out people talking about that topic. It is about coronavirus, or commonly called COVID-19. Now, but I'm not going to explain coronavirus to you. I'm going to tell you how this coronavirus has influenced companies to make their marketing strategy. So the topic is coronavirus and marketing. So today I'm going to discuss with you about coronavirus outbreak, the epidemic that has created a buzz in the news. All types of newspapers, the TV channels are talking about it, and they should talk about it because people are scared. People don't know, particularly this part of the world, people don't know the implications. They only know that the number of deaths are increasing, the infected people are increasing, and it is contagious. It can be transferred from person to person, and so on and so forth. You can read about coronavirus by yourself, but my main motive of this video is to discuss with you how companies are taking advantage of the coronavirus buzzword and marketing their company, marketing their products, increasing the prices and so on. But look there, that's what my son has done. You see, he has pasted a lot of things there. This is from a movie Home, a character called Boov, an aeroplane. I don't know what is there. There are some stars here and some other characters. You can see some characters there, and this is the green screen that I'm working on, not completed yet. I'm planning to convert this complete wall into a green screen and then make some good videos for you, inshallah. But today again the motive is to discuss with you coronavirus and marketing. Now, a little advice about the coronavirus, just to add to your knowledge. You can read it by yourself as well, but I know this virus is dangerous, this virus is contagious, but check the statistics. I was even reading an article this morning that the H1N1 influenza in 2009, or a couple of years, has killed comparatively more people than the coronavirus is expected to kill. So may Allah save all of us and our families and our friends. But you know, these influenzas or these viruses have been there for so long. What we can do in our own capacity is to take some preventive measures on our own part. If we are not feeling well, don't go to the public, do not mingle with people, do not infect other people, try to isolate yourself, and try to keep your hands, particularly keep yourself clean in order to prevent yourself from the virus. So just try to follow some normal personal hygiene rules. Wash your hands with the soap, make sure that you don't touch your mouth and your eyes unnecessarily, make sure to, in simple words, stay clean, and hopefully you'd be okay. So how companies are using coronavirus and marketing their products, marketing their companies. Interesting and really interesting news and facts are coming in front of me. As I was doing some research on the topic of coronavirus and marketing, today a news came in front of me, and that made me think of making a video for you people. That a company in Singapore, IG Group, what they have started is that they are trying to give N95 face masks as a token of gift or a safety kit to their employees and to their clients. Not only that, they are giving digital thermometer, they are giving bottles of Dettol antiseptic, so a package to the people, and then it's in the news. People are talking about it, that how caring they are. They would be caring. I'm not talking against them, but it may be a marketing trick as well to make sure that people know them. Another company in Hong Kong the owner have bought around more than 200 rolls of toilet papers in order to prevent their self, and then they gifted it to some of the friends and families, and they are gifting it to the clients as well. The examples are numerous. If you go and search in online, there are people who are selling face masks or hand sanitizers, or they're saying that they are actually particularly mentioning that it can prevent you from coronavirus. Well, the scientists have not found any method yet to prevent you from coronavirus, but yes, face mask will help you to protect yourself to some extent. But people are using it highlighted. Like yesterday, I visited some of the pharmacies, and I noticed that those pharmacies who are selling normal over-the-counter products, they have put forward the facial masks, the hand sanitizers on the cash out counters. You know, why did they do that? Because they know that coronavirus or virus is a buzzword now, and human psychology says that when we hear or see a particular term repeatedly, it goes to the back of our mind in our subconscious, so we subconsciously then try to purchase those type of products. So when you go to buy even a bottle of water and you see a face mask there saying that prevent yourself from the virus, the chances are that you are going to impulsively buy that product. That's what the companies are doing. They're trying to sell their products, take advantage of this buzzword. So you do your own visit as well. Just go and check some of the pharmacies, some of the companies that they are using this particular outbreak or epidemic as a marketing trick in order to make you buy things that you may not need. Talking about the hand sanitizers, I was reading a research, and the researchers found that hand sanitizer is not as effective as soap and water. So when you wash your hands with soap and water, that is more effective than hand sanitizers. What do we call this type of marketing? When you have an epidemic, when you have a buzzword, and your company's products are somehow directly or indirectly related to that particular buzzword, we call it rapid response marketing. What is a rapid response marketing? Rapid response marketing is a form of real-time marketing in which brands create marketing initiatives or marketing campaigns on the fly for the opportunities that are in the market. That the moment you see that there's a buzzword, it has created news. Google, the moment you write CO, coronavirus comes on the top page. So it creates an opportunity for the marketers and for the company. For example, take an example of Procter & Gamble, that they have taken a very rapid marketing strategy on the front page, on the landing page of particularly Clorox, a Procter & Gamble product. What do they have? They have preventive measures for coronavirus, because people are Googling, people are searching for these key terms, and their website comes on the top. People click on that, they go to their website, and then the chances are that they will indulge in impulse buying. So rapid response marketing. Whenever you see a buzzword, try to create your marketing strategies around those words or around those concepts, and you will see that people will be visiting your products, visiting your companies, and buying your products. So I just wanted to quickly discuss with you about the marketing the companies are using. Is it good or bad? What do you think? Should the companies use buzzwords or these kind of situations in order to market their product, market themselves, sell their product? Do you think that companies should bring forward the products which are related to that event, in this case coronavirus outbreak, on the cash out counters? When we talk about cash out counters, we are talking about the areas in a retail which are dedicated for impulse buying products. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments, and let's pray for those who are infected. Let's pray that they recover fast. Let's pray that our loved ones, our friends and family, ourselves, we are protected from these viruses. With that, I thank you so much. See you in the next video with another topic. Thank you. Bye.